Welcome to an easy step-by-step guide on changing your language in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you've ever felt lost navigating the app in a language you don't understand, this quick walkthrough will get you back to a familiar setup in minutes. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. You'll land on the main chat screen, ready to customize your experience. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a gear icon representing settings. Click that icon to dive into WhatsApp's preferences. The settings panel slides into view, offering several options to tailor how the app behaves. In the settings menu, locate and select the General tab. This section houses the broad essential settings that apply to the app as a whole. It's the hub for personalization, synchronization, and display choices. Within General, find the language option. You'll see a drop-down menu listing all available languages. Click the drop-down to reveal the full list and start reviewing your choices. The names are usually listed in the language itself and then grouped alphabetically so you can scan quickly. Choose the language you want to use across the app. As you hover and click, WhatsApp updates instantly to reflect your selection. If you don't see your preferred language, there may be a short delay while the app reloads the interface to apply the change. After selecting your language, confirm the change. This is typically a single click or a confirm button within the drop-down or the settings panel. WhatsApp will apply the new language immediately, and you'll notice menus, labels, and prompts switch to your chosen language. If you want to double check, you can navigate back to the General tab and reopen language to see the current selection. It's a simple way to verify that everything's stuck as intended, even after you close and reopen the app. That's all there is to it. A fresh language in WhatsApp on PC can make chats, settings, and notifications feel more navigable and comfortable. If you run into any hiccups, like the app not reflecting the change right away, try restarting WhatsApp or your computer, and the new language should take effect on the next launch.